Ginagawa ng lado-lado, Bartolome, nagkakaroon pass to this number 8, pass up, side steps, 5-2. Pinagawa ang Panglong ni Elora. Nakakuha ni pass out. Panglong, pass to this number 15, Paulino. It's a late violation. Pass to jersey number 2. Cruz. Malima, favorite jumper not good rebound by jersey number 17. Talosa, to Bangloy. May nagawang foul. Jersey number 28 from San Isidro. Chabot, first personal foul for the first team foul. To Pasat. It's a line violation. This number 2 de la Cruz, pass to Antonio, tumira 3, air ball. It's loose ball. Pass to jersey number 2. Banglo, nagkakaroon mo Basaros, jersey number 8. To Paulino, it's Robin Mauritius. Crowding Antonio, pass to De La Cruz to Chodoro, tries to play, air ball. Leading down the Paulino, Bangloy, to Paulino, nagkakaroon ng basahan, pass to Bangloy, side steps, 5-2. Opening basket from Bangloy to Chodoro. Pass to De La Cruz, pinag-intercamp pero wala pa rin, rebound to number 8. Pass up, derecho, 4-2. This number 10, 30, Antonio, pinagalang good rebound by this number 30 again, Antonio. To Baloran, wala pa rin rebound by this number 13, Kalimang, face away, not good. Bangloy to Katinday, that's Rapi, Katinday, first two. This game is brought to you by Rafa Water Station. Antonio Pinagay jumper na good rebound by this number 28 Chodoro. Insane shot clock. Kalimang block by Bangloy. It's a loose ball. Kalimang pass to Baloran. May nabuang foul. Jersey number 2 Bangloy. For the second throw, 30, 1 more. Now the Paulino to this number 2, Bangloy. 4-2. Setting score 8-1. Integro, Team Abulan. De La Cruz, pass to Loran, ginamit ang banda, 4-2. Bangloy, nakawa ng lado-lado. Nakuha ni this number 13, Kalimang, pass to Loran, lays up. Oh, 4-2. Inbouncing Bangloy. Ay, sorry, Talosa, turpasag, isang kaldang pasag. Rebound by this number 13, Baloran. Last 3 minutes and 35 seconds. Meantime left for the first quarter. Sonora tries again and 4-2. Bangol pass to this number 17. Balosa pass to Matindray. Matindray fakes. Balosa pass to Masa. Foul on jersey number 13. Baloran. First ball for second game. The game between Luzon versus Santa Isabel. This referee Casa for the second row. The winning 2 points. Rounding onto the Basul de la Cruz. De la Cruz. Pass to Antonio. 10 seconds on the shot clock. The jumper not good. De la Cruz for the rebound. 2. De la Cruz. Balosa to Paulino. Balosa. Pass to Gaza. The big man Gaza. 2. Balosa tries to break. Not good. It's a loose ball. Time out. Agulan. Last 2 minutes and 23 seconds. Inbounding. Jersey number 2. Pass to Folome. But Sparks. Pass to Pasag. Pasag to Matindray. Not good. Rebound by Folome. Not good. Rebound of jersey number 5. Kasalamitaw. Pass to Pasag, isang ikot. It's a single. Jersey number 12. Melchor. Reception by Balona Pasu. De la Cruz. Last 1 minute and 50 seconds. Kabitawan ng bola Bartolome, ititira na good. But by Jersey number 4, natin drive. The guy pass to Bangloy. Bangloy, isang kalda, kinabilang kalda. 4-2. That's Bangloy. Bangloy, laser, bang, 2. Last 1 minute and 10 seconds. Meantime left for the first quarter. Kaliman pass to Baloran, Gates. Baloran fires, that goes rebound by Melchor. Melchor pass to Pasag, 50 seconds. Pasag to the Roman Jersey 5, Kasalamitaw. Kasalamitaw, may nakuha ang foul, jersey number 5, Melchor. First personal foul. Sandal for the second goal, converting to 1 point. Inbounding Matindray, pass to the throwing foul, jersey number 8. Casa, pass to Paulino. Paulino, pass to jersey number 13, Kalima. Kalima pass to De La Cruz. Fires. Kalima, the jumper, 3-2. Steady score, 13-16. Last 15 seconds. 10 seconds. Last 6.5 9 seconds. Round is from now. 5 seconds. It's counted. Standing score 15-16. One point lead by the team Abulan, the jumper. Kalima tries to play and 3 points. Kalima. Talosa. Not good. Down by De La Cruz. De La Cruz fires not good. Down by Lizzie. Number 2. De La Cruz. Ito. Rebound with number 17. Talosa. Matias, libre, 4-2. That's Matias from San Jose. Ay, basag ngayon. Basag. Ginagawa ng bola. It's traveling violation. Down din kasama ginawa number 5, De La Cruz. Moving the jumper now to the top of the number 12, Belton. Belton. Fires. Black by. Belona. Pasu. Kalima. Kalima Pasu. Manchas fires. 2. Paso. To Paulino. Belona na to the top of the number 5. That's Rapidao, over pass through. Manchas again. Napasok na. Rebound for the number 12, Belton. Loose ball. Bounty. Pass through. De La Cruz. De La Cruz. Pass to number 12, Manchas. Sa kita pinili jumper na rebound by Manchas. Manchas takes. Napitaw na ball rebound by the number 15, Paulino. Paulino to Talosa. Intercepted by Kalima. Kalima pass to kasama nila Vice na good Manchas. 4-2. Kasi pera tayo. Kaya ako na lato-lato ngayon. Rebound by number 13, Baloran. Baloran pass to Manchas. Manchas to Kalima. To kasama nila na good. Walang silip. Talosa susubok sa press. At good bounce by jersey number 2. To De La Cruz. Fires. Mga laban rin rebound by the big teammate Pasag. Pasag. Pass to Paulino. Paulino side steps. Fires. May nakuwang foul. Time out. Abulan. Versus the team ISC Jones and Barangay Boss versus the Liga, the Actors. Paulino for the second goal. Paulino converting 2 points. Bounty Sugoro to jersey number 2, De La Cruz. De La Cruz passes number 13, Kalimag tries a play. That good rebound is number 27. Mora. Chodoro na good rebound by Talosa. Talosa na naman ang pass to Paulino. Kaya kong foul, jersey number 13, Antonio. First personal foul for us. Stand by for the second game. for the same goal. And good rebound by just number 30, Antonio. From the pass to Kalima. Presented by Tolome. Nakita ng mukha, Antonio Paris. Good rebound against number 17, Talosa. Bangon. Sa gitna 4-2. Rounding the Lapus pass to Antonio. Tumabas sa number 28, Chodoro. Blocked by Bangon. Simple. Rounding Antonio pass to Kalima. Tries a three. Bang! 3 points. Kalima. From Barangay Uno. This number 2, De La Cruz. De La Cruz, sa gitna pass to Antonio. Back to De La Cruz. 15 seconds, shot clock. In and out, rebound by Quintel. And good rebound by Paulino. Paulino pass to Pablo. 15 seconds on shot clock. Paulino. Ginamit ang banda na good. Rebound by Antonio pass to Kaliman to the Pogi. Chodoro. It's traveling violation. Subdivision. Paulino for this is number 4. Time out. Minori. Kaibigan natin Ifu. Bang this is number 5. Pass to this is number 2. Banglos side steps. Mars Igor. Salusco. Rounding Colorado. Pass to this number 2. De La Cruz. Pass to 3 seconds. Violation. Pasang ni Roman Galoran. Last 1 minute and 15 seconds. Galoran finds that good rebound by Majas from San Jose. That's just number 12, Majas. Last 1 minute. 10 seconds on shot clock. Banglos sa gitna. 4-2. 50 seconds. 45 seconds, 15 seconds on the shot clock. 30 seconds. Antonio na good rebound by just number 2, 35 seconds. Bangloy. Waits. Tolome na good. 25 seconds. Pasa 4-2. That's 20 seconds. Pass to Kabigay. 15 seconds. Bangloy sa gitna, 4-2. 10 seconds. 5. Time for the same person is scored, 26 to 29. A 3-point lead by the team. Minori. Tolome mas 2. Bartolome to Paulino. Sa gitna airborne rebound by this number 17, Talosa. With Salusco. Grounding. Chodoro pass to. This number 2, De La Cruz. Rebound by Quintel. 10 seconds on the shot clock. 5 seconds shot clock. Rebound by Paulino. Semi-score, 26-29 at 3.3 by the team Minuri. Paulino sa gitna, hindi umabot by Talosa. 15 seconds shot clock. Bartolome, 3! That's Bartolome. Deadlock, 29 all. Third quarter, 15 seconds shot clock. Pass to Tudoro, Mr. Bogian, rebound to Mr. 17, Talosa. Bartolome takes his rally liberation. Put it on to Bartolome. Grounding Tudoro, pass to De La Cruz. De La Cruz pass to Bates. Fires. Not good. Down by the number 28. Tudoro, ginanang banda na pasobra. It's the same ball. Bounding. Pindel. De La Cruz. 5 seconds on the shot clock. That's Pindel. Here's number 8. Pass up. 15 seconds shot clock. Pass up. Breaks. Fires. Talosa on to go not good. By the ball down. Jersey number 87. Substitution, Paulino. Now the Melchor. Melchor pass up, fakes. 10 second shot clock. Talosa, paying the jumper for 2. It's a deadlock, 31 all. Tudoro fires 8 goal, rebound with number 12. Melchor. Pass and fires, not good, rebound by Bartolome. Bartolome pass to Melchor, taking the jumper, it's counted. Foul on this number 28, Tudoro. Second personal foul for the first team foul. Time now, Minuri. Melchor keeping now bonus shot. Not good rebound by Casalabidao. Pass to Nalora. Nalora susubok sa press. Not good. Rebound by this number 4, Kalibay. Bigay pass to this number 2, Pangloy. Nakakatawa ng bola. Isang bigay pass sa Lapidao. Lays up. Not good. Pangloy for the rebound. Pangloy naman pass to Kalibay. It's counted. Foul to si number 5, Casalabidao. Third second. That's the guy. Converting 2 points. Kalima ngayon. Takes 5. Not good. Talosa tries a play. In and out. Rebound by verse number 5. Casalabidao pass to verse number 13, Kalima. Foul. Jersey number 12, Melchor. Doubting Melchor pass to Antonio. Taking the jumper, not good. Bangloy fires, not good. Rebound by Kalimat. Taloksa, ikawan ng lato-lato. Casalabidao na good round by Casalabidao. Substitution, Tudoro. lead by the team, Abulan. Sorry, 36. It's a violation. And then 2 zone. 36-22. Rounding. Talosa pass to the big man, Pasag. Pasag pass to Bangloy. Last 3 minutes. Talosa fires the good rebound by. It's Minuri basketball. Rounding to the pass to this number 2, De La Cruz. De La Cruz pass to Malimag, tries a three. Bang! 3 points! Kalima. This number 2, Bangloy, pass to Talosa. Talosa setting a play to Talosa. Susunod sa 3. Wala pa rin rebound to this number 2, Bangloy. Bangloy, side step, fires, not good. Talosa for the rebound, quick to jumper, not rebound with some 5, Casalamidao. Casalamidao, pass to Kalima. Kalima brings up, wala. It's Abuang, basketball. Last 2 minutes. Time left for the 3rd quarter. 15 seconds shot clock. Naagawan ni Kalimang na bumalik kay Talosa. Talosa pass to Bartolome. It's a save ball. 13 seconds on shot clock. Bartolome pass to Pasag. Pasag pass to Tiroman. Lolo pass to Valoran libre. That's Valoran. Change paperboard, a 1-point lead by the team Minuri. Talosa breaks. Talosa fires. Napasaw na rebound to this number 5, Casalamidao. It's a loose ball. Bobby Dewey for Satin Baligan. Kaditay breaks, fires, not good. Down by this number 2, pass to Kalima. Kalima. 1 minute. Block by Talosa. Talosa. Pass to Bangloy. 55 seconds. Bangloy. Valoran. So this number 2, De La Cruz. 30 seconds. Seconds. 30 seconds. 25. 15 seconds on shot clock. Sabi lang for rebound. 20 seconds. 15. 10. Lago. 14. 5 seconds. Last 2 seconds. Time. Series score 36-41. 5-5 by the team Minuri. Valora. Valora pass to the single back to Casalamidao. Rebound by Matias. Lakay Bangloy, Bartolome for the rebound. Pass to Bartolome. Bartolome ngayon. Ginagawa ng lado-lado. Bartolome nakarito sa pasahan. Pass to this number 8. Pasag. Pasag side step. Nice 2. Pinagawa ang depensa. Ang tatlong mama. Nagkamit sa arrival ng Messi Nagala, Henry Diaz, Ancheta. Agascas Queen. Bounded to number 2. Bangloy pass to this number 5 to Pasag. Pasag to Banglor, 15 seconds shot clock. Banglor, Matugay waits, 10 seconds shot clock. 5 seconds on shot clock. Offensive foul on Brazil, number 8. Plaza. Downbeat, nasalap tayo, pass just number 2, De La Cruz. De La Cruz to Malina, tries a three. Hindi umahod down by Matjas to Kalimag. Kalimag fires, wala pa rin. De La Cruz, 4 rebounds. Fires, not good. Down by Kalimag. Pinagay sa Kalimag, Salaminaw pass to Kalimag. Kalimag pinagdang Baja. 4-2, that's Kalimag. Steady score, 38-43. Bartolome ngayon. Bartolome fires, 4-2. That's Bartolome. Kalimag, good jumper na good. Down by Salaminaw. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Salaminaw na good down by number 2, Banglor. Banglor, diretso na good. Down by this number 8, Pasag tries a three. Wala pa rin, rebound by number 2. Bartolome. It's a single. Pangloy to Melchor, perimeter jumper na good. Last 5 minutes and 30 seconds. 15 seconds on the shot clock. That's Antonio, 4-2. Reserve. 40-45. Bangoy, Sarita, 42-45. Tatlo lamang po ang kalaman ng Team Minori. Antonio na, down by Katingay. Ikaw passes number 2. 4 minutes and 55 seconds. Bangoy ulit. Wala, passes number 2, Bangoy. Power pass to Bartolome sa ating tamay na buwang foul. Choose number 30. Time out! Sabulan, set score, 42-45. Bartolome sa pangalawang pagbubuslo. Not good rebound with number 12, Manuel. To De La Cruz. 15 second shot clock. Kalimag fits. Matjas. Not good rebound with number 17, Taloza. Last 4 minutes and 25 seconds. Power with number 12, Matjas. For the first team foul. Taloza, may nakong foul. It's a counting. Foul on this number 27. Third team foul. Taloza, it's a deadlock. 45. De La Cruz, not good rebound by 7-12, Melchor. Nakakangiti pa si Melchor, intercepted by Kalimag. Kalimag nakuha ni Bartolome, tutalo sa pass to Melchor. Paulino. Paulino ngayon. Paulino fires 2 shots. Foul on jersey number 27. Personal foul. On jersey number 12. Matjas, 3 minutes and 40 seconds. Manuel Bates, Matias, 15-second shot clock. Daloran sa 3-point area na rebound to number 12, Melchor to Bartolome. It's a running by substitution. Rebound, press, not good. Bagus number 15, Paulo, last 3 minutes and 15 seconds. Setting score, 45 all. Pass up to Taloza. 10-second shot clock. Pass to the wrong man, Kalimag. Last 3 minutes. Kalimag tries again. Chodoro, nabinawan ng laro. It's a loose ball. Down just number 15, Paulino to Taloza. Taloza to Paulino, pass to Paza. To Paulino, sidesteps, fires, not good. It's a loose ball. Fourth quarter. Substitution. Paulino forward to Bangloy. Heather Lian. Hindi. Kasalang ilaw na ito naman sa number 2. Bangloy setting a play. Pass to Pasa, 15-second shot clock. 10-second shot clock. Bartolome sa gitna. Wala. Rebound is number 5, Kasalamitaw. Kasalamitaw na kuha ni Pasa. Pasa fix to Bartolome. Ginamit ang banza. 4-2. Nakang na po ang Team Abulan. Ng 2 puntos. Last 2 minutes. Kalimag fires Puji. Pass to the wrong man. De La Cruz. Tulong Kalimag. Kalimag bago sa number 28 Chororo. Isang ikot. Wala pa rin foul. This is number 13 Kalimag. Last 1 minute and 40 seconds. For the final throw, wala pa rin rebound by Bangloy. 10-second shot clock. To Bartolome, isang ikot, wala rebound by. Time now. Abulan. Foul jersey number 8, Pasa. Last 1 minute and 25 seconds. Foul, jersey number 13. Not counted. Entering Tuzo. Pass to last 1 minute and 20 seconds. Setting score on 47. Kalimag susubok sa tres. Airborne, rebound by Kasalamitaw. 10-second shot clock. Daloran sidestep sa gitna. It's counted. Foul on jersey number 2, Bangloy. Daloran, lamang na po ng tatlo ang Team Minori. Down to number 17, pass to Bangloy. Bangloy, dire-diretso sa gitna ng mata ng Gulibang Pag-Disunod sa 5, Kasalamitaw. 55 seconds. 15 seconds shot clock. Ito sa Bigod Bartolome na wala pass to the point guard, Pasag lays up. In and out, the ball is number 2. 30 seconds. 15 seconds shot clock to Katitay. 10 seconds shot clock to Pasag. 5 seconds shot clock. 3 seconds violation. Last. Pangin Kalimag. Last 25 seconds. Kalimag, isang ikot. 20 seconds. Ginamit sa nito, Bangloy. 15 seconds. Bangloy sa gitna. Pinadala lang natin. Rebound by 9 seconds. 5 seconds. 3 seconds. Congratulations, Team Mabulan. Team Minori.